Hello and welcome to the Kaspa Silver YouTube channel. This is a new channel that's going to be dedicated to talking about Kaspa cryptocurrency. So I'm hoping to educate you guys on the Kaspa coin and why this is actually a really good investment. Now, I want to make things clear. I absolutely do not believe in any other cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin itself and now Kaspa. Just to make it clear also, I personally own Kaspa and I personally own Bitcoin. I currently want to make Bitcoin my biggest holding, but at the moment Kaspa has became my biggest holding due to its recent surge to the upside. In this video, I just want to give you a basic introduction of Kaspa and if you should maybe consider investing. So taking a look at the price right here, today Kaspa is up 3.22%. And if we look at the past 7 days, you can see that we've just had a very bullish week. In general, we went all the way up to 4 cents, and I believe the high was actually at the 4.5 area. And then we've dropped all the way down to the 3.2 area, which my guesses was that we were going to hold at about 3.5, but we actually dropped below it. But as you can see, we recovered and we're back in this 3.5 to 3.6 area. Now, many people do want to say that there is going to be a larger correction. I just do not believe this is true. This is mainly because of the fact of how much bullishness is in this coin, because of the fact that Kaspa has no centralized organization. It is completely 100% decentralized. This is the only reason why I decided to move away from only investing into Bitcoin and also buying Kaspa. Because the vision of Kaspa is to be the true silver, unlike Litecoin, which with Litecoin, you still had the owner of Litecoin, the person who founded it, dump all his tokens on everybody. And this is the problem with these projects. They're basically securities. They're centralized companies, basically. And I don't believe in messing around with other cryptocurrencies. I've been educating myself personally on Bitcoin, and after you educate and go down that rabbit hole, you will increasingly not want to hold anything else but Bitcoin, because you'll understand that Bitcoin is not the same thing as other cryptocurrencies. But I went ahead and found Kaspa, and I usually want to find a gem because you do want to find something that can make you more money quicker so that you could possibly get yourself more Bitcoin. But I don't want to hold anything else because everything else is mainly securities. And looking here at Kaspa, I got very, very interested. If we look at the tokenomics, just to start, we can see here that the block DAG architecture, which to begin, Kaspa is not even a blockchain. It's block DAG. The founder is actually quoted in the Ethereum white paper, which is really, really interesting, with the protocol called the Ghost protocol. I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself here, but just having that information, I was already very, very curious. But then if we keep reading the tokenomics, it says with rapid block rates, allows more mining decentralization, and enables effective solo mining even at lower hash rates. Fair launched in November of 2021 with no pre-mine, 0 pre-sales, and no coin allocations. Kaspa is 100% decentralized, open source, and community managed. This is the type of coin right here that you want to be investing in, because we are going into a very heavily regulatory environment where we already know that they've labeled Bitcoin as a commodity. So you have no risk at all in holding Bitcoin, other than the fact that it could go down in the short term. But in the long term, we know that the crypto market is always going to increase. But I think holding other cryptocurrencies only increases your risk, not only because you're already in crypto, but on top of that, you have governments, especially the USA, trying to put regulation on these cryptocurrencies that are securities, such as Ethereum. Ethereum is outright a security, especially because it's proof of stake. Proof of stakes makes things centralized. The great thing about Kaspa is that it follows after the same fundamentals of Bitcoin, which is only mining, proof of work. Proof of work is what a true decentralized cryptocurrency needs to be decentralized. The max supply of Kaspa is 28.7 billion coins with an emission schedule that halves once per year via smooth monthly reductions by a factor of this formula right here. So currently the supply is 17 billion, the max supply is 28.7 billion, and the market cap currently is 634 million. I got into this coin at 200 million market cap. Just reading everything that they were gonna aim to do, I instantly knew that this was a $1 billion market cap coin from the get-go. I believe that this is 1 billion at minimum, just for it to be staying at that price, because this is just what it's worth. It's worth $1 billion at least because of everything that it's promising to do. The developers are working on, which again, have no pre-mine, have no coin allocated to them. If you want in, you got to either mine it or buy it. And the fact that we have this type of market cap without this being on any major exchange is absolutely insane. Not only that, we have also that we have been climbing. If you look at the year to date, this chart just shows that there's really no fear, there's no dump, because most beginning charts of any cryptocurrency is just it starts really high and then it dumps, or it starts low, pumps high, but this started and it took a while before people started catching on to what is really going on here with Kaspa. And until we started with less than $1 million volume, I mean, this coin was already getting $1 million volume to start actually, but now we are every day we're rocking 30 million plus pretty much now. That's insane. That's really insane. And our fully diluted market cap is about 1 billion already. Volume today was 32 million. So you could see that this coin is getting a lot of traction, and yet I believe it is still so early. If I'm being quite honest, I believe this coin has a potential to reach $1 for sure. Now, where would $1 put us? Well, that would put us exactly at a 17.7 billion market cap, because that's currently the circulating supply. So 17.7 billion market cap, if we're looking at the top 10, that would put us just under we'll be in the 7th spot. We'll take over Cardano. Now, I don't believe this is going to happen overnight, and I don't believe that, it just won't happen like that. I believe this is going to take time. This is going to go into the bull run, but I believe Kaspa is the gem to be holding into the bull run. It's a proof of work coin. It's decentralized. You don't have to worry about people dumping on you. And I really am confident in buying Kaspa, and especially that comes from someone that really only wants to buy Bitcoin because of what it stands for. But Kaspa follows those same fundamentals. I highly encourage you guys to look into this investment and read first. Actually read all of these sections here. Read about it and learn about the investment you're about to put your money into. If you're planning on investing in this, learn about it first. Please do not just take someone's word for it. I am not a financial advisor. I have no idea what I'm doing in the crypto space. I just like to give my opinions out there. And I want this channel to be focused on Kaspa currency as we watch it ride all the way to potentially $1 soon, I believe. But we're talking about an ultra bullish case where all cryptocurrencies became a security. Kaspa, isn't going to be a security because it's decentralized. And I believe that Kaspa can be number 2. And if it was number 2 right now, that would put it at a $30 billion market cap. 230 billion market cap, which would put this coin pretty up there. I believe that would put it at around $15-14. I'm pretty sure, because I know If it was Bitcoin's market cap right now, it would be like 30 something dollars. So either way, these are long term estimates. I believe this is a long term investment for myself, but please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I hope you guys enjoy this video. There's gonna be more videos to come, more about explaining everything about Kaspa from what I'm learning about it, so that you guys can be educated on it too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a like and subscribe.